Hi, I'm Taylor Rayforth, and I will be walking you through a quick demo of how the 3QI Labs team is successfully leveraging automation and the Awetest mobile lab to drive a 10 times plus increase in test coverage. For those who are not familiar with Awetest, Awetest is a test automation application that supports the cross-browser and cross-device testing of mobile and web apps. It's broken out into multiple modules to support different types of testing. For the purposes of this video, we'll be focusing on the MApp module that supports automated testing against native and hybrid iOS and Android applications. The Awetest dashboard on this screen gives you a snapshot of all your activity and the available infrastructure and devices. The test case section is where you manage all your automation. Awetest supports various open source technologies, so you can utilize the technology that best suits your needs. Let's take a look at a specific test case. Select New Card. For iOS and Android application testing, we use the Calabash library, where all the automation is built using the Cucumber framework. This is where you author and execute the tests in simple English and easy to understand script. For example, the script reads, then I select default card for new user. Then I check that I am on the page with text, enter your PIN. Then I press link with ID, select new card ID. Similarly, all of the 100 plus test cases are written in simple English, making them easy to understand, easy to build, and most importantly, easy to maintain. Additionally, it allows for easy traceability back to the requirements. For Mobile Wallet, we were able to build the automation in advance of the actual application being deployed. Once you've added your tests, you can go to the Job section, click Add a New Job. You can selectively choose which tests you want to run. You can select the type of target infrastructure you want to run on, i.e. iOS or Android, tablet, or a phone, down to a specific SDK. Awetest will then filter out the available infrastructure based on your selections, and you can pick and choose the specific devices you want to execute on. Additionally, Awetest gives you the ability to schedule tests to be executed at a predefined date, time, frequency, and receive notifications every time a test fails or a job is completed. This leads to the Device Lab. You can watch your tests executing on the Device Lab, which is simply a collection of devices that can be deployed on-premise or hosted by 3QI Labs. The lab connects to the Awetest server and is used only for purposes of executing the Awetest tests. The lab helps you future-proof your testing as you can continually add new devices as new SDKs, updates, and devices hit the market. As you can see in this video, the tests get kicked off on multiple devices simultaneously, giving you unprecedented scale. To put it in perspective, today the mobile wallet team conducts 100 tests across 10 platforms, i.e. total 1,000 tests in less than 4 hours. The same amount of testing manually would take over 1 week. The test will continue to run in the lab, and as a test is completed, a detailed report is generated and displayed within Awetest, which leads back to the reporting module. The reports in Awetest give you the line-level detail for each interaction, the result, pass, failed, and even gives you the duration of a given step, allowing you to quickly identify potential performance issues. The reports are super easy to read, actionable, and give you full traceability into the script, making it very useful to narrow down a specific defect. Lastly, Awetest has the concept of assets, where you can manage app-specific libraries. We use multiple libraries that are called across multiple tests in Mobile Wallet. You can also set up data sources, like Excel, CSV, for data-driven testing. That concludes our quick overview of how 3QI Labs is leveraging the Awetest MApp module and mobile lab to dramatically expand test coverage of both iOS and Android applications. Thank you for your time, and do contact us if you have any additional questions.